Good day everyone, I am Pallavi Pal. Today I will be presenting the poster titled Music-Based Isolated Systolic and Diastolic Hypertension Detection with ECG Spectrograms using Explainable AI Technique GradCam. We know that music induces physiological changes. In one of our works, we have shown that how hypertension classification increases with music. Here we have the aim to classify three types of hypertension, that is isolated systolic hypertension, isolated diastolic hypertension and hypertension. Now, is there a way of categorizing these three types based on how music is influencing using a GradCam technique, which is XAI or explainable AI? One more question, that is, does music engagement elevates the classification performance? Now coming to the methodology section, here first, after an initial 5-minute baseline silence, 4 versions of music, namely the soft slow, loud slow, soft fast and loud fast were played to different individuals, and during that time ECG signal was collected. They were converted into spectrograms and fed into a SqueezeNet. Here comes the role of XAI, that after SqueezeNet classification results along with GradCam, the heat maps were induced into spectrograms which specifically mentioned or showed the areas which distinguish the fine lines of hypertension. Again, these images, heat map induced, were given to the SqueezeNet, which classified the 3 classes. In the result sections, we can see that performance matrices showed the difference between the classification, accuracy, precision and recall when in silence and when it was in music. Even the performance characteristic curves in terms of accuracy and loss with respect to the number of iterations in the SqueezeNet performance has also been shown that with music the performance was better. Coming to the conclusion, that here, as per this small pilot study, the classification of 3 types of hypertension was possible and elevated with presence of music. Thus, music can become one of the way of clinical practicing, the way to diagnose the condition like hypertension in future if clinicians agree to it. Thank you.
Thank you for your